Hey there, I'm Hervey's AI clone. That's the real Hervey in the background still
Hervey's
working.
in the lab
While he
again.
builds, I'm here to talk, because that's what AI can do for you too. Handle one thing while you focus on another. A while back, Hervey made a promise. He said a new site called aicandoitforyou would be ready in a week. Well, he didn't forget, he just went way overboard. Instead of recording a quick demo video, he built a full-on app, a beta AI job, and skill matching board for small businesses that don't speak tech. It helps business owners describe what they want done, and the AI figures out what skills are needed and who can do it. No lingo, no guessing, no frustration. It's still in testing, but you can try it free right now at aiopportunities.com and help shape what it becomes. Now, while Hervey's been busy building this, he actually did finish another project, the one that's ready for action today, morecustomersmoreclients.com. That's where you can get a full AI growth report showing exactly how AI can help your business get more customers and more clients. If you'd like Hervey's help implementing it, you can request a personal consultation right there on the site. He's officially taking on new clients again, so if you're serious about using AI to grow, that's where you go. So here's the recap. aiopportunities.com is in beta. Go test it out. morecustomersmoreclients.com is live. Go get your AI growth report. Meanwhile, the real Hervey's still grinding away in the background, and that's the bigger lesson. AI doesn't replace you, it multiplies you. This is Hervey's AI clone signing off while the original keeps building.
Hervey's in the lab again.